Today's video is special for those facing nighttime phone viewing stress or who have eyes burn problems or low vision when using the phone at nighttime. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what setting you must change on your iPhone. After following my steps, I hope your eyes can finally feel relaxed. I'll show you step by step how to reduce your iPhone's brightness even more than normal. Let's get started. Very first thing is that you can control your phone brightness using Control Center. Just launch the control panel from the top right corner and look at the brightness bar. If you drag it down, then your device brighter will reduce. In the same way, if you take it up, then it will be more brightened. If you do again down, then this will decrease the brightness. But you need even more than normal brightness, right? So I will show you. The second trick to make your screen dimmer is to enable a feature called Reduce White Point. Here's how to do it. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on the display and text size. Scroll down and toggle on Reduce White Point. A slider will appear. Move it to the right to lower the intensity of bright colors. As you adjust the slider, you'll notice your screen becomes significantly dimmer, even if your brightness is already at the lowest level. I recommend setting the slider to 50% with a low brightness level. This will help you read the text on the screen more easily, while also making it less visible to people nearby. To easily access this setting, create a shortcut for quick access. To make this feature easier to turn on and off, let's set up an accessibility shortcut. Go back to Settings and scroll to Accessibility. Again, scroll down the screen and tap Accessibility Shortcut. Select Reduce White Point. Now, whenever you triple-click the side button or home button, if your iPhone has one, you can quickly toggle these features on and off. So guys, finally, test your new dim screen. Let's test it out. Here's my iPhone with the normal lowest brightness. Now, I'll triple-click to activate Reduce White Point and look how much dimmer it gets. This is perfect for using your phone in bed or in a dark room without straining your eyes. And that's it. Now you know how to reduce your iPhone brightness even more than normal. Whether you're using your phone at night or just want to protect your eyes, this trick is a game changer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Got any questions or other tricks you'd like to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.